Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible. And you don't know the thing set on the Monday, people. Bless up on yourselves, you see what I'm saying? And hit the like button if you know God bless you. People, dancehall queen Nikki. This is her baby father, Marvin the Beast. Yes, on Father's Day. As well as Spice, we have seen Rasta absent in her life. And he, on Father's Days, was riding around in circles. It's like he's lost without the queen, you know what I mean? And he put a very this he put a weird message in his caption. Like he feels away behind himself. His own Father's Day gift, you know. Boy, one thing we can tell you, Spice definitely got an army out there, you know what I mean? Yeah, so people, me even at age, because I got drop more video. You see me, I say, yeah, like I said, for the past several months, we've been seeing Marvin the Beast praise his baby mother, at least one of two. Yes, because Marvin has two baby mothers. Nikisha's the last one. And the things that he split up with her. She split up with him. He's in a relationship with another girl. So she's in a relationship with whoever she's with. But it's quite clear that she doesn't want nothing to do with Marvin the Beast. So Marvin, you can stop saying Nikisha a good girl and this and that and that and that because she dissed you on Father's Day, my G. And we know how you feel about Mother's Day. Yeah, I always big up your baby mother them, regardless of what the situation is. But Nikisha is not having that, you know what I mean? The only father she bigged up was, of course, Fia Owen. And she said, Happy Father's Day to my dad. You're the perfect definition of a great dad. I love you endlessly. You've always been there for us. Now, it's my time to take care of you and spoil you as well. I love you, Daddy. I know you're smiling now. Stop. Smiling now non-stop. People, I'm reading on a timer, so no work with me. She also took the time out to big up her first baby father. And I'm not gonna lie, people. I never heard she come out sideways and talk about her first baby father. So it looked like he's a real father and a real dad and a real man. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, because that's because you and your baby mother not together doesn't mean say when they can't have a normal life. You see me? But this is what she had to say about him. She said, Happy Father's Day to you, my baby daddy, your son. And your son said, You're the best daddy ever. And I can second that 100. Continue to be a great dad. For dad, you are pricey. People, again, I know how to read. I'm just reading on a timer, you know what I mean? But she did take the time to post a video of Marvin's daughter. And before we watch, let me just read the caption. She said, Princess, on the behalf of my mommy and my brother, I'm wishing all the fathers out there a happy Father's Day. Also, the women who played a role of a father in their kid's life. Happy Father's Day again from mines to yours. We love you all. I don't really think Princess even recited that her birthday, but let us hear what she has to say. Remember, this is Nikisha writing the caption, not Princess.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Apple Father Day! Our Father, I love you all. Yay!
Wow, times fly, man. I remember Princess was like a little munchkin. Could fit in one of them donut box there, you see, I say. No, she's a big, beautiful little girl. That's what's up, She's showing real bright to your side. So, people, I'm just giving an update on that situation. What do you think about Nikki not hailing up Marvin? You think she can do whatever she wants to do because she's her own big woman? Or you think Marvin should stop praising Nikki about being a good mother? And blah, blah, blue, and blah, blah, blah. Because Marvin that got hard for get back in a Nikki crutches. But yeah, you see me answer. But it don't seem to be working. You feel me? Now, speaking about Father's Day, people is no denying that something is going on between the Rasta and Spice, He'd never liked none of her Good Morning America pictures or posts, Jimmy Kimmel posts, Wendy Williams posts. Um, we didn't see her like none of his pictures for Father's Day. And she's always leaving some comments under his page when it pertains to his daughter, We're not seeing nothing, people. It's like dead silence from both parties. They're still following each other and still have their pictures up, but the important stuff to be liked and mentioned about, we're not seeing it. And now the Rasta is putting up caption. He said, enjoying this beautiful day on Rodeo Drive. Guess I gotta show myself some Father's Day love, Hashtag J Bud Media. Yes, people, no more shopping sprees because on the north said, they said the Rasta that trying them out spice money, And you know, say only this spice I for buy love and all of these things and things. Well, why people? This is what Team Spice had to say about Justin spending Father's Day by himself and putting up that caption. One fan said, "Listen, Rasta, on just left. Paradise, good, good. We don't care what happened. Go home, and we the fans now make uno left so. Me no care, uno I go fix it. The Rasta and happy Father's Day on the behalf of Gracie. Me is her agent today." A next fan said, "This seems like a slightly passive-aggressive post. You and Spice left? And somebody said, she said on Wendy Williams' show that she is single. Knowing her on this special day, she would have her man beside her. I hope they are still together. Though because they looked so nice together." Her next fan commented, "Him and Gracie try crowd. Me I give them until July 30th. Then me'll make then we'll think otherwise." You thinking July 30th, that's when the album drop, And Sassy said they're both grown folks. Full-time Spice cut the BS, and we all know it's a prank for her album, Damn Foolishness. Cha-ja. One thing from looking at the comments, Spice definitely has a lot of haters, Boy, Spice, me don't know what you do them people, but me would like for know people putting at the comment section. What Spice really do them people for you forget so much hate because I don't see it, Yeah, she's focused on her own career, but that's not a crime, you feel me? But one thing for sure, Team Blue, Spice, Smurfettes, y'all are out there and y'all defend her to the T, even when she's wrong. I'm not saying she's wrong, I'm just saying, if that was the Rasta be on Wendy Williams' show and he said that he was single, like, it would be all hell in that house, Maybe Spice is afraid of the Rasta's gangster past. You see me, I say, cause we put out the thing, we got his police records and stuff. Maybe she's afraid of him gangster past. I gonna make her look like old stinking nigger in front of the white people, them, on the GMA and Wendy Williams and Jimmy Kimmel show. But don't forget to comment on Nikki at this up Marvin on Father's Day, you see me? And definitely, if you're new around here, hit the like button. Definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest in dance or news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.